Packaging trends and insights. What procurement professionals need to know. In the ever-evolving landscape of packaging, staying informed about the latest trends is crucial for procurement professionals. Let's understand key insights that are shaping the industry. First, sustainability revolution. The demand for sustainable packaging continues to rise. Procurement professionals must prioritize eco-friendly materials, circular design principles, and recycling initiatives to meet consumer expectations and regulatory requirements. Second, with the growth of e-commerce, packaging must adapt to accommodate efficient shipping, minimize the waste, and enhance the unboxing experience. Innovative designs, optimized dimensions are paramount to this solution. Third, smart and interactive packaging. Consumers seek packaging that enhance and engages their experience. Incorporating interactive designs and augmented reality, QR codes, NFC tags, or captivate consumers bring brand loyalty. Fourth, personalization and customization. Tailoring packaging to individual preferences and creating unique unboxing moments can leave a lasting impression. Customized design, personalized messages, and limited edition packaging cater to consumers' desire for exclusivity. Fifth, data-driven insights. Leveraging data analytics and technology can provide valuable insights into packaging performance, customer preference, and supply chain optimization. Procurement professionals should harness data to make informed decisions and drive efficiency. As procurement professionals, embracing these packaging trends and insights empowers us to meet evolving customer demands, drive sustainability, and foster innovation. Let's stay ahead of the curve and shape the future of packaging together.